Intel Corporation, also known as Intel, is an American multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Santa Clara, California, which was founded by Gordon Moore and Robert Noyce in July 18, 1968. Intel is a semiconductors industry. The key people of Intel are Gordon Moore, the Chairman Emeritus, Andy Bryant, the Chairman, and Brian Krzanich, the CEO. There are more than 96,000 number of employees working in Intel. Intel's net income is $11.42 billion and the revenue is $55.35 billion in the year 2016. Intel and AMD are the world's largest and highest valued semiconductor chip makers based on revenue and is the inventor of the x86 series of microprocessors, which the processors found in the most personal computers. Intel supplies processors for computer system manufacturers such as Apple Incorporation, Lenovo, HP, and Dell. Intel also manufactures Bluetooth chipsets, microprocessors, motherboard chipsets, network interface controllers and integrated circuits, flash memory, graphics chips, embedded processors, solid-state drivers, and other devices related to communications and computing. As for the historical market shares, in the 1980s, Intel was among the top 10 sellers of semiconductors in the world. In 1991, Intel became the biggest chip maker by revenue and has held the position ever since. The top customer percentage for Intel were, in 2015, HP Incorporation and HP Enterprise collectively accounted for 18% of the company's revenue, Dell for 15% and Lenovo for 13%. The major competitors in PC chipsets will include Advanced Micro Devices, VIA Technologies, Silicon Integrated System, and NVIDIA. The only major competitor in the x86 processor market is Advanced Micro Devices, in which Intel had a full cross-licensing agreement since 1976. It was stated in the agreement where each partner can use the other's patented technological innovations without charge after a certain time. However, the cross-licensing agreement is cancelled in the event of an AMD bankruptcy or takeover. In 1972, Intel opened the company's first international manufacturing facility, which an assembly plant in Penang. Intel has invested $1.6 million to start its first offshore assembly plant in Penang. Since then, the company has expanded its presence in the country and now also operate facilities in Kulim and Kuala Lumpur. From an initial workforce of only 100 employees, it has evolved to become Intel Corporation's largest and most diverse site outside of the United States. Intel Malaysia has contributed to the country's social and economic development through its activities in high-tech manufacturing, design, and development of the latest Intel product, which were the global shared services and corporate social responsibility. It has invested more than 14 billion ringgit Malaysia over the past 42 years and has been employing 9,000 highly skilled Malaysians. Today, Intel Malaysia proudly supports a broad product range including microprocessors, chipsets, network processors, and microcontrollers. with over 4 billion microchips produced to date.